Welcome back, people. It's like we see them have a thing them talking about global warming and all them thing there. Effects on weather, flooding and water levels, sea levels are rise and them thing there. Now people, we see them have a next thing where them say yesterday where the sun give off a flare, spark off a flare where cause a blackout in most of North and South America yesterday. And I must say, the next one could be hours away. People, want to listen to what them say about this. Make we listen with them.
Sun spits out biggest solar flare in years, sparking communications chaos on Earth. The biggest solar flare in years has knocked out radio communication on parts of Earth, and more disruption is expected, according to scientists. The huge flare from the sun on Thursday is said to be the biggest since 2017 and resulted in 2 hours of radio interference across sunlit parts of the world. Numerous pilots reported communication disruptions, according to the US government's Space Weather Prediction Center. And the radiation impacting the planet also caused temporary radio blackouts across South America. The massive Class X flare, which is the biggest the sun is capable of, can still cause more havoc, according to the Met Office, with a massive solar storm expected to hit the planet around the 17th of December. Scientists saw the moment the Class X 2.8 solar flare burst from the sun's surface and said the activity was the strongest since the huge X8.2 flare of September 2017. Scientists are now monitoring this sunspot region and analyzing for a possible outburst of plasma from the sun, also known as a coronal mass ejection, directed at Earth. The eruption occurred in the far northwest section of the sun, according to the center. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory caught the action in extreme ultraviolet light, recording the powerful surge of energy as a huge, bright flash. Launched in 2010, the spacecraft is in an extremely high orbit around Earth, where it constantly monitors the sun. The sun is nearing the peak of its 11-year or so solar cycle. Maximum sunspot activity is predicted for 2025. According to the Daily Mail, Dr. Alexei Glover, Space Weather Service Coordinator for the European Space Agency, said, "Yesterday's solar flare is the largest of the solar cycle so far and also the largest we have seen since 2017. We are still analyzing the event, but early reports are indicating that this did impact radio communications for a short period on 14th. Solar flares occur when the sun's powerful magnetic fields become tangled together by currents of superheated gas. When the energy stored in these fields is released, massive amounts of material are heated to millions of degrees. Yesterday's flare was released from a sunspot called R3514, which in itself is bigger than Earth. Solar flares are ranked from A to X, with A being the least powerful and X the most powerful. That classification is then subdivided with numbers, with an X2 being twice as powerful as an X1. When the solar particles hit the Earth's magnetic field, they interact and produce electrical currents, which can flow through power grids and have the potential to spark massive power outages.
People, them say, is a 8.2x wave or flare hit the solar system yesterday. Well, the 14th. On the 14th. Blackout North America communications and North America and South America for maybe seconds, minutes, who know how long it blackout for. I know I did watch her name, Rick Storm. And it sound like, and it look like him thing did freeze up and out for a while, for a few seconds. So, people, I don't know what's going on, and these scientists them out there play with things, who know what them a mess with. Who know what cause these reactions. Cause the earth is a magnetic sphere, so all kind of things attracted, so who knows what them do and it cause a spark. Why was the spark directed at Earth? Anyway, people, I'm a scientist. I just see this and know say we live by means of internet, our phone, and most of these things. We can be left in total darkness in a split second. So I will see this and bring it to the attention of my fans who may or may not have seen it, and I ask, what do you think about these things here where happen upon the face of and this terror over there upon. Anyway, people, leave in the comments below. Tell me what you think. Out.